Is it nice shoes?
Where's the coin?
What coin? No need coin. Just talk.
Nice your shoes. I see.
Wow.
Apa isi Bay? T-shirt na rin. Nga. Okay, thank you. Good. Let's go now.
Are you happy now?
Yay, happy.
After this, mommy buy ticket.
So, yeah, you're the one, your shirt and pants.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah, I love shirt and pants. I want to take it again. Yummy.
Hey, naman.
Oh, I want to see this yummy. Hold on, hold on.
It's raining.
Daddy, having a chocolate light and a good meal, right? You, that's good. But Daddy, it's not
Good news is,
having surprise time.
are you going to show happy every day?
No.
No?
Getting bigger.
You don't want to show it to people?
Yeah, because they might take it and keep it in their house.
Okay, good. That's how you take care of your toy. That's good. I love to hear that. Ah, you're so good, baby. Okay. You take care. You promise to take care? Okay. Okay, very good eh. My baby eh. My number one baby, right? Baby sayang, right?
What are you doing, Kapaiji?
And color down. What are you doing? Vlogging? Stop it.
Yay, first day of school. There you go. Nicer. Nice, right? Wow. This one her stationery. But the medium book, I don't know what's the medium book.
Yes.
She has only, because I just did just her name and stuff, and then when I check out, when I reach home, it's the medium book they don't put there. But all,
Okay, I will check it.
yeah, they have, I think she has 6 small book, maybe no medium book. I don't know what is medium. Okay.
Yeah, very good.